Well, hey crafty friends, it's Hiedi Scott with DiyDreaming, and on this quick video, what I want to do is I want to show you some of the new Magnolia Design Company products, sort of in person, because I have most of them, so that you can see what has just been released, and I have 2 sprinkle gifts. So if you like this video and you want to sprinkle it to your social media and let me know you did it, tomorrow I will pull 2 names of people who sprinkled and told me, and one of them will be getting this stencil. We're going to use it this Sunday. It says pray, and someone else will be getting this one that says hello fall. Both are brand new, and I just happen to have extras. So as you're hopping on, say hello. I see lots of people jumping on. Feel free to ask questions. If you want links, let me know that too. And let's just jump in. Okay, this is the Autumn Pumpkins Rub-On Transfer, which is mine and I've used it. So there's a few pieces cut out of it. But this was a new product that Magnolia just released. And you guys, the very first day it was available, it sold out. It sold out like within 6 hours or some crazy thing. So it is back. I've made a few different things with it, with pieces of it. It's really awesome. It's a rub-on transfer, so you basically are transferring from this sheet to something else. So if we're waiting on this, it's back available now. Okay, here are the brand new stencils, and then I'm going to show you some that are new within the last 2 weeks. This is the Hello Fall, and you guys look at this beautiful like corner wreath that has these gorgeous fall leaves in it. I'm super excited about this one. It would make a great front door hanger. Also, you could just use the wreath, you could just use hello, you could just use fall, you could just use the leaves in the center. It's a great stencil, and if you missed the very beginning of this video, I have an extra. And I'm going to give it away tomorrow to somebody who sprinkles this video to their social media and tells me that they do it. Thank you, Donetta, for sprinkling. So I'll pick 2 names at random because I have another one, this one, to give away to, of people who sprinkled, and I'll, tomorrow I'll tell you who got it, and then I'll just pop them in the mail. Okay, this is another new stencil, which is absolutely adorable, and it says thankful. It's the boho rainbow thing with pumpkins in the center, and then if you look at it up close, it has little leaves around here, and then it has leopard print, and super cute. It would make a great t-shirt. It would make a great tote bag. It'd be super cute. It'd be cute on a pillow. It would be super cute on a tea towel. Maybe we'll do that. So that's another new one. This is adorable. And you guys know I don't really do a lot of Halloweenish stuff, but you guys look at this stencil. It says little monster, and there's a bow here in case you want to do it for a little girl. I'm thinking this would be absolutely adorable for a toddler or 3 or 4-year-old or a baby onesie, to make some t-shirts, to put on just whatever you might be making for a little one. And you could do this little guy, this little monster guy in blue or pink, and you can put a ribbon on him. Super cute. Okay, here is the Pray stencil. And I think for Christ in Crafting this Sunday, this is what we're going to use. I'm not sure what the project is yet, but I am starting to pray and think through what I want to talk about. So that is super cool. And what I love about this is that you could use it all year round. It's not linked to any specific season. And it's just, I love the simplicity of it. Okay, also brand spanking new are these. These are called hexagon quads, and they're a really good deal. You get 4. They will sit up on their own. They're painted on one side and just the natural wood on the other. And the wood is very nice. I think there's going to be a lot of different projects. I love shelf sitters, and these are just the perfect shape and size for that. So these are called hexagon quads, and you get 4. They come in a nice box, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about that surface. Okay, also a new surface that I wanted to tell you about is this. This is a new tote bag. All right, and I just had my first back to Bible study class this morning. And this is the tote bag that I'm using right now until I can make something else. It's the tote bag that is a new surface available. And I made it for Craft Club a couple months ago with the stencil that came for Craft Club. But it's just a great tote bag, and once you iron it, this is so nice. It's like cotton, but it's really thick. It's got a super long strap, and it could carry anything you would want to put in it. So I think this is a good deal, and the quality is super nice. So I would definitely recommend that. Let me think what else was new. They have some little pieces that come in this thing called tiered tray 4-piece pack that has a variety of different things that you can make, and these are 2 things that are in it. Also new, but I don't think they were released this week, are this 5x7 shiplap style wood piece, and then this is the, I guess it's 9x12. It doesn't have the actual lines in it, but it's really a super cool finish on it. It's like a gray and white, very farmhouse-ish. Here's some other stencils that released last week and the week before. This is cute, here for the booze. I've seen a lot of people making t-shirts with this one. Pretty cute. And then here is a Happy Halloween. Not too terribly scary, although these trees do look a little bit scary to me. And I'm supposing, well, these don't look like bats. They just look like birds. So this is a cute stencil. Here's another cute stencil for Halloween that just says October 31st, and there's a little spider hanging off of it. Okay, and this is a new one that released last week or the week before that says peace, love, and pause. So for all of my animal lovers out there, this is a great stencil, and you could do a ton of different things with it. And if you hopped on late, I have 2 sprinkle gifts today. So if you sprinkle this video and tell me that you sprinkled, then I'll put your name in my hat, and tomorrow I'll pick 2 names. One is going to get this Pray stencil, and these are both brand new, and the other is going to get this Hello Fall. Because I somehow ended up ordering an extra of each one of these, and I want to send them out. Okay, I'm super excited about this one. It's not new, but it's back in stock after last year. And this, I did quite a few things with this stencil. I'm going to open it up so you can really see it. It is called Happy Fall Pumpkins. Look at the detail of the pumpkins. This one's polka dots. This is floral. This is plain. They have these cute little curly cues and leaves, and I love this font. It looks very Rae Dunnish to me. I made tea towels. I think I made a sign. This would be cute on a pillow wrap. Tons of things that you could do with that. And then this is also newish. We used this last week for Christ and Crafting. We made a beautiful chalkboard sign that is in my kitchen now. That's where I'm going to keep it. It's beautiful. And this is that Revelation 3:20, excuse me, that says, "Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and eat with him and he with me." So if you missed that video and you want to see it, let me know. Just say I missed Sunday and I'll get you a link to it so you can watch it just right here from the comments. Anyways, Elaine, I'll get you the information about becoming a creator. If anyone else is interested in that, just let me know. We have 2 kits right now. There's no quotas. The website fee is low. It's a great company. And as a creator, you get a sweet discount on your own personal things that you buy for yourself. So let me know if you want that information. If you hopped on late, I have 2 sprinkled gifts. If you want to look at any of this, my website is magnoliadiy.com. But I'd be glad to get you a direct link to the page of my website that has all of the retired things on it, so you don't have to hunt it down. So just say link or retired list or something. Oh, Denise, she says that was the verse that she was saved by. Yeah. I don't know if you saw Sunday, but let me know if you'd like me to send you a link to that video, because to me it was a really good Christ in crafting. The craft was short, the Christ was rich, I thought. Anyways, well, that's what I wanted to show you. So if you have any questions about any of the new stuff, there's other things that are new. I just don't happen to have absolutely everything, or if you want this actual rub-on transfer, if you have any questions, want links, just let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna go sit down in my comfy chair and start reading your comments. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, if you missed yesterday, this is what we did. This was one of those Dollar Tree Plus $5 3-dimensional pumpkins. And I got some new napkins that are beautiful. And so we decoupaged it. And what was fun about this was I showed yesterday how to decoupage even the edges. So I'm going to be fiddling around with the top of it, finishing it off. But isn't that cool? So that was the project yesterday. If you want to just scroll back in the videos here, you can probably find that pretty easily. Okay, you guys have a blessed and wonderful rest of your day. Let me know if I can help you with anything. Get a link. Feel free to sprinkle. If you want to be in the list of people whose names I will pick 2 tomorrow, then just sprinkle and let me know in the comments that you sprinkled. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.